I'm fine. Anything for the girl? What now? You drive your motor? Chike.
Yeah.
You want that my? Come on, come on, the house. Oh, what's wrong?
I see you.
Eh? Me too. Where are you going to beat? I stand up also.
Yes, I do.
Beat you too. Go like this. Hey, go like this. I'll beat you too. I'll beat you where? It's you that will beat. So this is what you want. Chai. Children. Come this side. I'll beat you. If you beat me, if I was you, when they come, it's coming to beat me. Oh, yeah, sorry, I'll go. I'll not play with you again. Anyway, you're using your... I'll not play with you again. Chike, come and eat now. Come and eat. Very good. You don't go there again, Abby. You've climbed that motor again, Abby. I hope you will not fall. Come now. Hey, Chineke. Don't tear this our managing carpet, too. Don't tear it too. Small. You have your own big motor. You are using this small motor to scatter this carpet. Hey, but you have big one now. This one will tear the carpet now. Eh? You don't want that one? Okay. Oh yeah, come. Come and eat. Come and eat beans. You're almost through. You bathe, ba? You bathe, you wear fine clothes, yeah? Stop talking. You are eating, yeah? Where are you going? Wait, so, Daddy, is he call you went and answer? Is that your phone? Oh yeah, answer the call again. Chai. So you just answer your call now. Then who called you? Chai. Come and eat.
Bye-bye.
Okay, what? He said, what will I cook? Call my friend. Call my friend on the phone. Tell her to come. That I cook beans. Call her. Call Amaka to come.
Yeah.
Call Amaka to come.
Come. I will come.
Wahala everywhere. Have you called her? What did she said? She said she will come. Wait, you want to use this motor and go and carry her? Hello? I'm fine. Yes. Who bought it for you? Who bought the motor for you? I should come. Oh, do you have anything for me? You have rice for me? Oh, you have rice cooked? Oh, who cooked it? Okay, you have beans. Oh, is it more? Have you eaten? What did you eat? Rice and beans. What did you eat? You eat moto? No. You can't eat moto now. Bye. See you. Take care. Daddy, have you called your friend? Oh yeah, come and eat this. Yeah, come on. Bye. Yeah. See you. Be you. Bye. Take. Come close. Chai, that motor don't get accident. That motor don't spoil. It don't fall. The motor fall you on the ground. Hey, Oya, come and sit down here. No, don't lie down. See, Daddy, come, please. Oya, go and bring pure water. Sit down. Stop now. Try this person go they eat, they jump, they eat, they waka. Oh yeah, come. Take, drink very well. There's beans. Shh. Don't thank you, man, now until you finish eating. Hey, come and sit down here. Chai, Chineke, man. Oyo. Dede. Oya, come and eat. See, remain small. Oya, come and finish it, yeah? You want to carry your motor, come? Okay, Oya, carry and come. You're a good boy, She. God bless you, Shebi. God love. Mish. Habitué. You beat me. Habitué. No. Chike. What's the problem? No one on wow.
About you,
Wait, it's me that you beat, eh? I should talk again. Oh, one more. It's okay. Sorry. Hey, I go like this.
Yeah.
Go like this also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like this. Stop it.
I don't be guy man at all. Go. Now me they beat with that your big balancer phone. Action boy. Daddy give me 5. Top no cool now. Oh, you go and sit down. Say, eh? You're telling me sorry. After when you don't beat me well. Stop. Luck where you get is that you don't used to pay me. Yeah, come on, finish your food. Yeah, come. Yeah, you have finished eating. Now, come and take. Sure. Thank you for coming. Yeah, sit down and drink water now. Finish it. Yeah, papa. You didn't tell me thank you, ma. Eh? Come and tell me thank you, ma. Thank you, my dear. God bless you, yeah? God bless you for eating, yeah? God bless you, yeah? Okay. So can I go now? Let me go and wash plates. Then you come and bathe, Shebi? No, when I finish washing plates, then you come and bathe. I will bathe you very well, yeah? Okay. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
Also good. Come on.
Again.
I didn't. So now kissing time. I should kiss your mother. So you know what you're doing now. Fire. Get out.